Hi, my name is Susan Gosner. I just finished Suzanne Tulline's Be a Better Speaker workshop, and I really found it so impactful. She asked us right out of the gate what we wanted to get out of it today, and I mentioned growing more engagement in my audience. And as we went through the different steps to become better speakers, I learned so many incredible tools. In fact, one of the things that stood out for me was being able to actually learn how to better ask my audience questions. And I was brave enough to stand up and practice. Practicing really helps a lot because having that opportunity in front of a group that you feel safe with gave me that experience that I can turn around and use in doing all the wine tastings that I'm currently doing. So I'm going to be able to take what I learned today and implement it immediately and hopefully make sure that the people in my audience are getting more out of their experience when they come to the wine tastings that I offer. Thank you so much, Suzanne, for making this such a great experience. I loved it.
Great. I loved having you. Thank you so much.